2025년 9월 28일 일리노이주 피오리아 경찰은 총성이 들렸다는 신고를 받고 현장으로 출동합니다. 현장에 도착하기도 전에 여러 사람이 급히 그 일대를 빠져나가는 모습이 포착됐고 경찰은 상황이 아직 끝나지 않았을 가능성을 염두에 둔 채 접근하기 시작했습니다. 도착 직후 경찰은 총상을 입은 남성을 발견했지만 구조에 나서기도 전에 예상치 못한 또 다른 문제와 마주하게 됩니다.
It's on its way. Move. Watch out. Move. Out of the way. Out of the way. Watch out. Stop. He's still breathing. Move. I need in here. Move. Hey, I got. Hey, watch out. Get out of the way. Let the police get right now. Get out of the way now. You gotta move. Get back. Get back. Back up now. Back up. Right now. Please get up. Get back. Get him out, bro. Take him down. Take him down. Get the foot. One, we need a big car down here, man. Back up. Back up. We got them. We can't help him when you're on our ass. Get him. Get the police. Get the police. Say. Back up. Get back.
피해자의 지인들과 호기심에 몰려든 시민들이 현장 주변에 몰리면서 경찰의 응급처치는 큰 어려움을 겪기 시작했습니다.
Back up, or we can't help your friend.
Touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro.
Get your hands up.
Bring your fucking tape. You won't stop.
We're not fucking dealing with this right now.
I'm gonna kill you. You're not trying to put me in handcuffs. Stand up.
Back up.
I can't back the fuck up. I'm doing my fucking shit. I'm not doing shit. Get down. Get down. Get down. Back up. Back up. Back up. Give me my foot back. You don't get your foot. I didn't hit you.
이 장면은 잠시 후 다시 살펴보겠습니다.
Go ahead then. Stop what he's doing. Stop. Hey, stop it. Hey, stop it. Hey, breathe. Stop it. Fuck yeah. Put your hands on your back. Okay, bro. Okay.
Fucking idiot.
Stupid fuck, roll over. I didn't do nothing. You fucking hit me in the face. No, I didn't, bro. No, I didn't, bro.
You think we can help your friend when you get out?
No, I fuck over. No, I didn't. I don't. Bro, roll the fuck over. I don't know what's going on. I didn't. No, bro, stop it. I don't know what's going on. We ain't got that fucking cops. I didn't. No, bro, stop it. I don't know what's going on. We ain't got that fucking cops.
Fuck off, all of you.
No.
Get out of our crime scene.
I know, bro. I don't know what's going on. Damn, bro, my fault. I swear. Bro, my fault. I told you to back the fuck up, man. No, my fault. I didn't. Bro. Drag him out. Get him over by the horse when we get a perimeter. Okay. Drag it. I didn't know what's going on, bro. Get him over here by everyone else. All right, help hard. Get hard back over here. Help me out. I'm getting up.
You're gonna stay out.
I'm sorry, bro.
Roll that way.
I know. I'm getting up.
다시 그 시점으로 돌아가 보면 반대편에서도 또 다른 혼란이 벌어지고 있었습니다.
Get the fuck off of that! Fuck off of her! Get the fuck off! Get the fuck off! Give me your fucking hand! Get the fuck off!
But why would you hit me like that?
You had my fucking officer.
No, she had me. What the fuck are you talking about? Bro, stop dragging me.
No, that girl that I punched had you, right?
경찰이 현장에 도착한 지 약 5분이 지났습니다. 구급차가 도착하기를 기다리는 동안 이번에는 다른 경찰관의 바디캠이 당시 상황을 어떻게 기록했는지 함께 살펴보겠습니다.
I swear. Get back. All right, help hard. Get hard.
Use your chest. You told everyone to chest. Get up. All right, get on. I can't feel my leg.
마침내 구급차가 현장에 도착했습니다. 하지만 군중이 아직 완전히 통제되지 않은 상황이었기 때문에 경찰은 추가 지원을 다시 요청했습니다.
Boy 41, keep those cars coming. All cars keep going. Main and row. We got state and county en route.
Boy, we have about 50 people crowding us and we cannot get him help. Send more cars.
We have state police en route. We have county en route. We have no cars en route. We have East Peoria en route as well.
Feel my leg. Get up. I can't feel my leg. You walk this whole way. Get up. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking.
Get back.
I can't feel my legs.
Get in the car.
Relax.
I've been drinking.
Listen.
Record me.
We will
Take me to the hospital. I can't feel my leg.
We'll take you to the
I
hospital.
can't feel my leg. I can't feel my leg.
You're not taking him home.
What did he do? I can't feel my leg. What did he do? I can't feel my leg. What did he do? I want to go to the hospital.
You're going to go to the
I can't
hospital.
feel my leg.
04시 51분, 부상자는 구급대에 들 것으로 옮겨질 준비를 마쳤습니다. 첫 번째 경찰관이 현장에 도착한 지 약 6분 만의 일이었습니다.
Go all the way down. Right there. Sit down. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean it. You're gonna stay right here. I got you. I got you. Hey, bro. Hey, excuse me. Hey, excuse me, bro. Yeah. Hey, excuse me. Stay down. Don't talk. I'm not listening right now. I'm sorry, bro. I didn't know what was going on, man. I didn't know what was going on, bro. Move your feet to the right. You know, I didn't know what was going on. I got you, bro. You know what? I didn't know what was going on.
To our crime scene. Go! March! You will be pepperballed! You will be pepperballed! This is your warning! You will be pepperballed! Get on the other side! No, you cannot come through here! You will be pepperballed! Walk! Walk! No, I don't give a fuck! Someone got shot! Walk! Keep going! You will be pepperballed!
경찰이 현장에 도착한 지 약 10분이 지나자 현장 주변에는 통제선이 설치돼 시민들의 접근이 제한됐습니다. 또한 군중 통제에 대비해 페퍼볼 런처도 현장에 배치됐습니다.
Back up on the sidewalk now. You will be pepperballed. You will be pepperballed. Back up. Back up.
We're not even trying. I'm on concrete. What the fuck?
Shut the fuck up. Back up. That's right. just got shot and we do too much. Shut the fuck up.
Fucking dog, y'all some bitches.
Shut the fuck up.
첫 번째 부상자는 이후 구급차를 통해 인근 병원으로 이송됐습니다. 또 다른 부상자 역시 개인 차량을 이용해 병원으로 옮겨졌습니다. 이 영상이 공개된 시점을 기준으로 두 부상자의 상태는 아직 공개되지 않았으며 사건 처리 과정에서 경찰은 중범죄 폭행과 공무집행 방해 등의 혐의로 여러 명을 체포했습니다. 영상이 공개된 이후 해외 시청자들도 다양한 반응을 남겼습니다. 그중 일부를 소개해드리겠습니다. 누군가는 죽어가고 있을지도 모르는데 응급처치를 하려는 경찰을 공격하다니 정말 어이가 없네요. 이 새벽 4시 45분부터 이렇게 성실하게 출근하셨네요. 이 사람들은 소란이 없으면 못 사는 것 같네요. 경찰도 이런 일까지 감당하기엔 월급이 너무 적은 것 같습니다. 경찰을 미워하는 마음이 자기 사람을 걱정하는 마음보다 크다면 이미 인간성을 잃은 겁니다. 상황을 어떻게 보셨나요? 댓글로 여러분의 생각을 남겨주세요.